Hello everyone, it's 10th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, which is the world page, we have Russia targets Ukrainian nuclear substations, kills 7, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Hamas says fighter hold up in Rafah will not surrender. Then we have 7 Myanmar migrants deal as vessel with about 300 on board sinks of Malaysia. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Jal Jeevan graft crackdown, action against officials in 15 states and union territories, mainly from UP. Then we have how gangs use BrahMos, Tesla and Avengers to scoop up train tickets. Again, very important. Moving forward, then we have COP30 begins today in Brazil. Limited outcome so far. Focus on implementation. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have centuries old Phulo Walon ki Sair gets nod amid outrage. Moving forward, we have showers, Western style toilets. Tihar prepares for fugitives extradition. Again, very important. Then we have, moving forward, we have 580 more families face eviction as Assam resumes demolition drive. Then we have Assam cabinet nod to aim polygamy bill. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have after recent video spotlight on women's safety at Goa beaches. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have drug combo reduces death risk for aggressive prostate cancer. Very important for health related perspective. Then we have heavy monsoon, LNG prepare volatility dampens India's natural gas demand. Then we have US top court may dampen Trump's tariff strategy, but he has other options. Then we have Hungary gets a pass from US on Russian oil sanctions. What it means for India. Then we have 9 years after demonetization, currency with public remains high. Lastly, we have Sonbhadra, UP's second largest district, sees lowest spending in rural areas. All these news are very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have air quality beyond AQI, the case for measuring indoor pollutants, very important for environment perspective. Then we have story of India's withdrawal from overseas airbase in Tajikistan, very important for international relations perspective. Lastly, we have signals from China's latest and most advanced aircraft carrier Fujian, again very important for defense perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.